to my channel once again. In this video, let us quickly discover the latest updates about Ari Wallet or Arichain, as well as Rubi network. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end, and if the first time coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. We know that I shared with you recently that Ari Wallet have successfully removed the quiz section where we earn daily Ari points by taking place in quiz. And what that signifies is that from the information we gather, that is the preparation towards the listing of the airdrop. Okay, and from what we have seen so far, I also got another information on their Twitter in this morning, and I think it's worth sharing with you guys. Okay, so guys, if you could remember Arichain's roadmap, that is from the roadmap, it is said that by the time they integrate the multi-VM and AI interface, that means we'll be close to the listing of the airdrop. And guys, with no doubt, those two activities have been taking place already. Multi-VM have been integrated as well as AI interface. And if you look at the news release about 2 days ago, it says, have you checked our Arichain's new webpage where the multi-VM and AI interface vision come together? A new webpage embodying Arichain's network as interface vision has been launched. Okay, so guys, that is the home page of what they are talking about. And if we zoom in closely, you see network as interface, infrastructure for the AI era, and so on. So all these things are the plans towards the TGE and listing of the airdrop. Okay, also, if you could remember the news posted recently, which is on 29th of last month, it was posted by the owner of the Arichain, which says that, hello, I would like to share an update. Previously, I have mentioned that Ari Wallet point mining might end on 28th August. However, in order to onboard users to our AI product after the multi-VM launch, Ari Wallet mining will continue through Q4. During the remaining period, the amount of points that can be mined will gradually decrease at specific interval. And guys, as you can see, it is happening now. So the points have been gradually reducing until the time they will stop mining the Arichain. Also, the information released recently, it says that the launching of mainnet preparation have started happening. That is the main reason why they are trying to reduce the point, so that the point should not lose value and things like that. So from here, it says that the mainnet launch is coming soon. And when the mainnet launch have taken place, we will now be able to carry out tradings of our Ari points. Because I stated earlier, what we are going to be trading that time is our Ari point. That is what they are going to allocate to us. But we don't know the purpose of RG yet, whether it is going to be used as gas pay or other things like that. We don't know at the moment. So guys, that is it, and this is the information I have for you about Arichain at the moment. Now let us come to Rubi network. All right guys, on Rubi network, everything is going on smoothly except the KYC verification, which have been a great challenge to people, as the option number 2 is not given to them. We will come to this place now and click on continue. In this particular place, which is a receive invitation from KYC 1.5, majority have not gotten this, and it is a general problem at the moment. Okay, so what you need to do is this: you have to be active on your Rubi network, because this invitation is what they are going to invite you by themselves, and they invite people based on various criteria like how active they are on the airdrop, how many referrals they have, the number of their points, how long they have stayed on the on the project. I think you get the point now. And a lot of people have been getting the invitation from Arichain KYC 1.5 because they have become active enough, and they have mined enough points and things like that. Okay, concerning about the price of Rubi network, we know that the price is going to be very okay from what we have observed so far. However, it is not 100% confirmed at the moment, because whenever an airdrop is not launched, we cannot say, okay, this is the price they are going to give them. So what you should do is this: you have to work on your points and maximize a lot of points. Okay, and as of today, if you look at under this small account here, it says that this 8 Rubi worth about 46 USDT, this extra 1.2 Rubi worth about 6.65 USDT. Okay, so that means as of today, 1 Rubi is more than 5 USDT as claimed here. However, sometime whenever an airdrop leaves, the price may started decreasing instantly drastically or increasing. It depends on how the airdrop want to favor their community. I think you understand. So guys, in order to earn much point on this particular airdrop, which is Rubi, number one, it is important to participate in their activities, which is their daily activities like referring people and performing all these tasks here. And the second thing you need to do is to come here whenever the mining ends so that you can continue immediately. I think you understand. So guys, that is it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.